guys, welcome back to the channel, and for this video I'm so excited to unbox with you my new wireless controller from NYXI, and it's the Hyperion model, and this is made for Nintendo Switch and also compatible for the other Switch models like OLED. Okay, so one of my favorite hobbies is playing video games. I play mostly on the PC and on Switch, and I've been looking for one of the best wireless controllers out there, and I happen to find this Hyperion model from NYXI. If you're interested to check it out, the link is in the description box below. And what's nice about this is that it's not just a wireless controller. I think you can also replace a Joy-Con on your Switch, and I haven't seen anything like that before, so let's give it a try. Okay, so just open it and unboxed it. So it comes in 3 parts. We do have the joy pads, the 2 joy pads, the left and the right, and also it comes with the middle frame in here where you can attach it if you just want to use it like a regular controller. And now I'm gonna test it out with my Switch in here and see if it will work perfectly and see how it goes. Okay, so it fits perfectly in here. It actually looks pretty cool. I know it looks bulky compared to the original Joy-Cons in here, but I think if you're not taking this outside, you're just playing it at home probably, or you're not traveling with it, I think it's gonna be perfect, especially for some of the games that you're playing. I think this is for portability, and maybe this is more for performance. Okay, so
okay, so it's game time now, and I tried playing with my new controller, and it is really comfortable compared to the standard Nintendo controller that came with the Switch. The joysticks are really smooth to use, so I can imagine myself sitting in here playing with my Switch for hours.
Okay, so now that we have tried it with a Switch and we have tested that it's so easy to use it, now let's see if it's also easy to connect with the middle frame just like this. So we are going to connect this to the TV and try to play some games. Okay, so I just removed this from the Switch, and now it's, as you can see, it's lighting up, and yeah, I didn't have to do anything special, anything extra for this to connect to my TV. So it is kind of like plug and play, very intuitive. Okay, so that also worked out well. Now we are gonna try the individual Joy-Con, because you can also use the individual Joy-Con just like how you use it on a Switch. So let us give it a shot and see how easy it is to use and connect as well.
So if you want to check out this controller, just go to their website at nyxi.com, and they have different joypad that's available in here. This one is the one that I got, and they do have different styles and colors as well. The model that I got was called Hyperion, And the Hyperion Pro has the Hall effect joystick. So this one never developed drift in a lifetime.